Fashion is an expression of your lifestyle, and the way you dress is the way you dance through life. My name is Reem Khalil, and I'm one of the 15 designers participating in this year's fashion show, The Heart of Fashion in Laguna Beach. The fashion show is on the Sawdust Art Festival grounds. It's the most amazing venue. It's filled with trees, waterfalls. You can't beat this aesthetic. My designs all express a beautiful drape and the true essence of the fiber itself. I use a lot of silk and I use organic bamboo because I love the way it drapes and accentuates the natural beauty of each woman that wears my designs. This year has been extraordinary. We have an amazing committee consisting of myself, Olivia Batchelder, Laura Linsemeyer, that has been wonderful to sponsor us. She owns Roots Beauty and is an amazing makeup artist. We'll be having music done by Star Shields. Our MC will be Terrell Anazi, expressing each designer in a poetic way. This year we've worked so hard on rehearsals, stepping up the game with practicing our walks, our makeup. I'm so excited to be able to have it all come together and have one of the most amazing fashion shows the Sawdust Art Festival has ever put together.